Hi, my name is Mark Schutte, and I'd like to talk to you about the University of Cincinnati and Indian Institute of Technology collaboration on the Renew Trash Compact. So through our extensive research with our counterparts at IIT and our association with the community of Patti Gujar just outside of Delhi, we've come to understand just how much of a problem waste management and sanitation is in India. And it's quite a massive problem. In India, they generate more than 136,000 tons of waste per day. And the problem with this is that it's not just waste that can't be used. There's a lot of very valuable waste in those streams. And what we want to do is understand how we can leverage what is in there for our own good and to make money on that. And so that's exactly what our product and service would like to do, is to turn that waste into income. And that's not just for the people that will be working for us, but for every household that takes part in our service. So what are we trying to do here? What we look to do with our service is to collect these recyclables and compostable material that can be used to create revenue for, as I said, the households and employees that work with us. But this also has the added benefit of cleaning up the communities that we're working in, so that there aren't those waste management problems, those water hazards that could be present because of the trash laying around. Now we understand that there is a culture problem in that currently waste is definitely just sitting around, but we understand the cultural impact that waste is beginning to have on India, and we're firmly confident that our service can do the part to improve this situation. So our service will be leveraging the communities that we work in. It will be driven by the employees that we intend to hire from the community. So we will have many community members that will collect the waste from about 100 households per person. These employees will then take the trash that they gather and accumulate it in our compactor that we've designed. This compactor, its main goal is to accumulate the waste in a way that we can actually store it for a while until we can efficiently transport this to the recycling facility that we intend to use about 2 hours away from Patti Gujar. Half of that waste will also be compostable material, and that material will be taken to a site run by an overseer there that will manage the compost and turn it into useful manure that can also be sold. Along with that, recyclable material will go into the plant, which will also be sold for money. So as you can see, there's a waste and a cash flow that is associated with this service. As I said, there will be several trash collectors that we've employed that use our compactor to crush up the waste into a very efficient, transportable size, take it from the households that they collected from each week, drive it to either the recycling facility or the compost. And the best part, the beauty of this service is that not only will these collectors make money, but the households that are collecting the waste and giving it to these employees, as well as everyone involved, has the opportunity to make money with this service. During our estimation of costs and revenue, we've come to the conclusion that we're looking for $7,000. First, mostly in the pilot phase, where we will prototype the waste compactor, as well as look into educational programs for our employees and educational material for the households that will be benefiting from this service. We identified this social need as something that we feel fits the goals of the Akara Challenge, and we hope that you see the same as we do, as really in the end what we want to do with this is to make the communities we're working in a better place and provide them with income that they normally